Polynomial long division. What is underneath the division symbol is the dividend, and what's outside what we are dividing by is called the divisor. When we get started, we will look at the first term of the divisor and the first term of the dividend. We are looking at x and x cubed. And only looking at those terms, we ask the question, what do we need to multiply by x to result in x cubed? And the answer becomes the first term in our quotient. That answer is x squared. So we multiply x squared by both parts of the divisor, the x and the minus 2, giving us x cubed minus 2x squared. So the top term in our quotient multiplies by both parts of the divisor, and we write that in the line below our dividend. Then, just as we did in elementary school, we are going to subtract those terms. There are two terms, so I use parentheses to indicate that we're going to change the sign on both terms. X cubed minus x cubed leaves us with nothing. And in the second term, we have 2x squared now plus 2x squared, resulting in 4x squared, and we're going to drop down negative 7x. Now again, we look at the first terms, and we ask, what do we need to multiply the first term, our divisor, x, by to get 4x squared? We need to multiply by positive 4x to get those to match. We multiply 4x by both terms in our divisor, 4x squared minus 8x. And now, using a set of parentheses, we're going to subtract both of those terms. 4x squared minus 4x leaves us with nothing. This is now negative 7x plus 8x. That leaves us with 1x. And then we drop down our last term, which is negative 2. And we ask the question, what do we need to multiply by x to get 1x? And the answer is 1. We multiply by both parts of our divisor, x minus 2. And then using parentheses, we subtract both of these terms. 1x minus x leaves us with nothing. Negative 2 plus 2 leaves us with nothing. That tells us that the remainder is 0 and that x minus 2 is a factor of this cubic polynomial. So our cubic polynomial could be written as x minus 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 1. So if your remainder equals 0, the divisor is a factor.